Can I be a car snob for a minute? In this video, I'm telling you the thing I like the least about the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. Let's jump in. There are two things that I do not like about this car at all. Number one is the engine cutoff when you come to a stop sign. I don't have a problem with that. Saves you some money. The thing that I don't like about it is the restart. You take your foot off the brake and you hit the gas, put your foot on the gas to go, just like you would any other car. Well, when it starts, it revs up the RPMs. And I don't know if this happens on every car with this feature, but on this one, when it starts, the engines rev up and you've got your foot on the gas. So it's this weird jerking takeoff thing, whiplash moment, and it's really not comfortable, especially when Volkswagen did such a good job with all of the other details of this car and all the great features that come with it. It's like, why isn't this smoother? You'd think it would be. Maybe it's just the driver. I'll admit it could be me trying to like NASCAR this thing, but I think it's kind of more the inconvenience of the way they designed it. So the second thing that I really don't like about this is the transmission. When you take off, it's like it waits like 3 seconds to really get with you and get with the program, unless you absolutely punch it, like you're getting on the interstate. But if you're not getting on the interstate, you don't want to go 80 real fast. You want to go 30, but you need to get into the flow of traffic. So the way that I found to remedy this on the 2018, I've been using the auto stick option, and that gives me the option to decide when and where I need the RPMs. I can downshift into third, especially to really like pass somebody or get after it. And so I really don't like the transmission in fully auto, but the auto stick option does give a great way to get around that and get some RPMs when you need it. All in all, I love the Volkswagen Tiguan 2018 SEL. I would do this again. I would rent it in a heartbeat. Fun car to drive, especially with the auto stick. I just really being nitpicky. Don't like those two things, but that's really being nitpicky. Great car other than that. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If so, like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out the channel. Comment below and let me know what you think about the Volkswagen Tiguan. Maybe you've driven one. I'd love to hear your thoughts overall. Anything you like or don't like about the vehicle. Have a great day. You got this.